Hello everyone, Sudeep here. Welcome back to my new video. Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network adapters missing on your computer. So let's get started. Go to search menu and type CMD and right click on command prompt and run it as administrator. On the command window, type netcfg space -d and hit enter. This command will simply uninstall all the network adapters. Once it is done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Restarting your computer will reinstall all the network adapters again, and during the reinstallation, Windows try to fix all the issues associated with network adapters. After you restart your computer, check if the network adapter you are looking for is there or not. If this method didn't work for you, run command prompt as administrator again. On the command window, type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Once the command is executed, restart your computer and check if the problem is solved or not. If it still did not solve your problem, go to device manager. For that, simply go to search bar and type device manager and click on device manager. On the device manager window, click on view option and here click on show hidden icon. After that, go to network adapters option and right click on it and click on scan for hardware changes. After that, check if the adapter you are looking for is there or not. Hope one of these methods has solved your problem. If any of the above methods didn't work for you, then I highly recommend you to watch my another video. On that video, I have mentioned few methods about how to solve Wi-Fi option not displaying on the taskbar and settings. I have given the video link on the video description below. Thank you so much for watching this video.